A backup administrator must enable guest file system indexing for a backup job of a Linux file server, VM. So it's a virtual machine. All required credentials are added to the Veeam backup and replication server. VMware tools, VIX, cannot be used due to security regulations. So VMware tools has this management API that you can use to inject and execute something. In this case, it could be the runtime, but we can't do that. What should be done to make it possible in the following environment? Okay, let's take a look at the diagram here. So here we have our virtual machine, which is connected to a virtual machine network. Here we have a proxy server that we can use for the backups. It's running Windows. It's connected to the VM network. It's connected to the VM to the management network. And up here we have our backup server. Let's see here. Use the Windows proxy as a guest interaction proxy. This is a little bit similar to one of the questions we had earlier. And if you remember, the problem is that for Linux VMs, and this was a Linux VM, the guest interaction proxy is not used. Instead, it's always the backup and replication server. The issue is I don't have any direct way to talk to this Linux machine. So we can't use the proxy server. We can't really use this as a guest interaction proxy because it's not on the right network. Connect the ESXi host to the VM network. Well, yes, we could do that, but it doesn't really solve the problem. Plus, probably you want that on your management network. Connect the Veeam backup replication server to the VM network. So that could be a secondary connection here. So that's what we'll have to do. We'll have to make sure that we can, from this backup replication server, reach this Linux VM. It could be a root, perhaps, or we could give it an extra network card here and connect it here. But anyway, we have to get it onto this VM network somehow. However we do that, extra network, root, whatever, but it needs to be able to reach this VM directly. Then it's going to work. So I'm going to go with the last option here, connect the Veeam backup replication server to the VM network.